During maintenance windows, teams are often flooded with unnecessary alerts regarding the status of their system, especially considering that they know the system is going to be down. However, at the end of the scheduled period, they may still want visibility into the alerts that came in, just in case something needs their attention after the fact. Luckily, with OnPage, teams can ensure they're not bombarded during the maintenance period, but still receive the alerts after it has concluded. All they have to do is open up an existing schedule on the OnPage web management console, press Create a New Schedule, and name it. I'm going to name mine Maintenance. Then, I will select Do Not Alert and Delay Notifications, making it so that when alerts come in during the scheduled window, they will be delayed until the maintenance is over. This maintenance will be on Tuesday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., so I will reflect that here. Then, since this is a one-time event, I will just go ahead and press Create. And as you can see, the delay schedule has been populated and users will not be alerted during this time. All alerts that are triggered during this time will be sent as an on-page low priority message after the scheduled period has ended. This enables the team to catch up on all status updates that were sent during the maintenance, just to ensure that none of them need their attention now.